For those who are new to my channel, this is a bit of a different video than what I normally post, namely cycling and travel videos. But because I just bought a drone and I'm temporarily living with my parents in Zeeland, I couldn't resist showing you this beautiful place. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And yup, it's my first time that I fly with my drone, so in the next shot I try to wave into the camera. Attempt 2. As I really like to make videos, it was so fun to test out my drone. So I hope you liked this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. And that was it for this video. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.